Basic usage of help you. I'll help you plus verb. This lets you inform someone that you are willing to provide assistance. This could refer to something physical or mental, like helping someone to think or remember something. Here are some examples. I'll help you cook dinner tonight. I'll help you raise money for your charity. I'll help you register for your class online. I'll help you move to your new house. I'll help you prevent that from happening again. I will help you park your car. I will help you provide all the information you need. I will help you realize your potential. I will help you stop smoking. I will help you shop for groceries.